The date of Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event, scheduled for July 10th, is rapidly approaching. Tech fans have eagerly anticipating the company's next wearables and accessories since leaks about them have been pouring in steady stream. For pictures that Evan Blast purportedly showed off the new Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 7, and Galaxy Pod 3 were posted on X. All three gadgets have svelte, contemporary designs, as one might expect from Samsung. With a price tag of $700, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is positioned as the company's new premium wearable, so its design has to be worth it. This design is consistent with earlier renders that displayed a round face within a square case. There are two buttons on the right side of the watch face, above what looks to be an orange crown. In contrast to the gray or black alternatives that were previously available, this bright orange band is a new addition. Additionally, there are reports about white and silver versions, indicating that Samsung may add more colors options for the bands. It is anticipated that the Galaxy Watch Ultra would include a tiny LED display with a sapphire crystal screen that may be as bright as 3000 nits. A few design characteristics that frequent leakers have been hinting at are confirmed by the most recent image of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, which was also leaked by Explosion. It seems Sam's has chosen to remain with the circular face that has characterized the first 6 generations of its smartwatch, despite speculations that the company attempted experiments with the square format for the Watch 7. Gray, white, and forest green are the speculated color options for the Watch 7, albeit the green in the leak appears to be more vibrant. Furthermore, gold and graphite were available for the Galaxy Watch 6, so it's likely that same colors will be provided for the Watch 7. With the July 10th Unpacked event rapidly approaching, these leaks offer enticing peeks at what Samsung has in store. While the Galaxy Watch 7 carries on the brand's legacy of producing elegant circular smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch Ultra stands out as a noteworthy addition to Samsung's wearable portfolio with its premium capabilities and daring design choices. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.